Lori Vallow, who is in jail in connection to the months-long disappearance of two of her children, thought the two had been possessed and were zombies, according to newly filed court documents.
The claims were made in documents filed last week in an Arizona court by Vallow's niece's ex-husband, who has also said his former wife knows the whereabouts of Vallow's children, Joshua Vallow, 7, and Tylee Ryan, 17, who were last seen in September.
Brandon Boudreau made the claims about Vallow's thinking her children were zombies in a court filing connected to his battle with his ex-wife, Melanie Boudreau-Pawlowski, over custody of their children, according to East Idaho News, which obtained a copy of the document.
The filing includes an alleged conversation Pawlowski's current husband had with his attorneys after meeting with law enforcement.
It says that Melanie Pawlowski told her husband she was concerned about Joshua and Tylee because Vallow and her husband, Chad Dable, believed their children had been possessed and had become zombies.
Zombies are described in the court documents as human bodies that have had their original spirits forced from them and have been possessed by either a demon, a disembodied spirit, or a worm or slug.
She shared concerns that she's been told Brandon needed to die and that may indicate that Tylee and JJ needed to die as well, the document alleges, referring to Joshua by his nickname.
The filing described a cult-like religion that in addition to zombies included beliefs in teleportation and dark and light portals.
Pawlowski allegedly told her husband that she learned about some of these beliefs from a temple and from Vallow and Dable, the document states. Ian Pawlowski said the first time he heard about these notions it was a jolt, but that he tried to keep an open mind.
The filing does not say how Boudreau obtained this information, and attorneys for Melanie and Ian Pawlowski could not immediately be reached on Tuesday. Attempts to reach an attorney for Vallow were also not immediately successful.
In a petition filed in February, Boudreau said that his ex-wife knows where Vallow's children are.
Police in Rexburg, Idaho began searching for Joshua and Tylee in November, 2 months after they were last reported seen, after authorities tried to conduct a welfare check on Joshua.
Pawlowski's attorneys has denied the claim that his client knows where the children are.
Mrs. Pawlowski has cooperated with law enforcement, including meeting for hours with the FBI on 3 separate days. As she told the FBI, Melanie does not know the whereabouts of the missing children of her aunt, Lori Vallow, one of her attorneys, Robert P. Jarvis, said in a press release.
Authorities have said that Vallow and Dable are not cooperating with the investigation into Joshua and Tylee's disappearance. Vallow was arrested in February on charges of desertion and non-support of dependent children after she and her husband were found in Hawaii.
She was extradited to Idaho where she is being held on a $1 million bond.